Hi, welcome to the initial rollout of ServiceProof. When we're on the job, we take a lot of pictures. And we upload those pictures to the invoices or put them in our folders, they become a big jumbled mess. Now we have a way of actually describing what's going on in the pictures so that we can better communicate to our customers and technicians. The information to put in is very easy to use, self-explanatory, making it more efficient to do preliminary walkthrough as well as a post walkthrough for every service that we're providing. After you put in the information, all you have to do is either take the picture or upload a picture. For this purpose, we're going to upload a picture from our gallery. And here's our download page. Download it. You can either start over or check out what's going on. Let's see what we did here. So as you can see, very simple. The picture's right there. We have more versions coming out, as well as uploading to the Apple iOS store. And we're going to have many more features coming, like a fully customized for your own branding purposes. Enjoy the app, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.